What's up guys, so welcome to a new channel. So I will be doing an unboxing of this laptop. This is a Dell laptop which I received from the government in our school. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of it right now. So alright guys, by the way, if you didn't subscribe our channel, make sure to subscribe it right now, okay? So let's go, come on! So, okay guys, so I have reached into my home, sweet home.
You think you know me?
Okay, so what's this? I think it must be a manual. Alright, but where is the charger, man? Shit! What is this? Oh, where is it? This is the charger, and this is the adapter of Dell. So let's keep this aside. So these were the things which I have received while unboxing. This is the charger, adapter and a plug. This is the instruction manual, and these are some kind of covers to keep them safe. And I think this must be a DVD of this laptop. Must be a guide how to use this. Okay. And this is also a user manual. I think it must be in English. Yeah. So by the way, which language is it? I don't know. So guys, if you know this language, comment down below, okay? So that I may understand which language is this. Alright, so finally guys, this is the time for the main thing. So this is the main thing. Okay, so let's unpack this too. Wow. And here is our Dell laptop, as you can see, and this is the logo of our government. So this laptop has been distributed by our state government. So let's open this laptop. Oh wow, what a look guys. Nice, isn't it? Wow. So let's see. Alright guys, so according to Discover, it says it has an Intel Core i3 of 7th generation. So, and it has 4 GB RAM inbuilt and a 1 TB hard drive according to this cover. And let's see what does it have. So by the way, its price is about 30,173 rupees. Okay, so guys, this is the factory price. So alright guys, so let's check it out. What is its back? So let's check it out. So what is present in this laptop's back? Okay. So this laptop must be Windows 10. So there is a logo of Windows 10, and it has service tag 3YD16P2. Alright, so here are its model number, and I think this is the space for the RAM here. And it has a battery also. Let's check it out. Wow, that's a nice battery. So let's put it back. Alright. So it has a different battery. Yeah. So this laptop has a different kind of battery. Oh my god. This is my handprint. I'm sweating, guys. Alright, so time to open this laptop. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Right. So let's open it. So this laptop is not opening right now. I think it must have to be charged. I'm gonna charge this laptop for a minute. Just wait a minute, guys. Alright, so let me take out this stuff. So let me. Alright, so time to take out this charger. So this charger is very good, and this charger is very strong, and it has a different kind of charger. Yeah. Is this that? This laptop is totally different from my HP laptop. Now where is the slot, guys? Alright, so I put this charger into the slot. Yeah, and let's put into my plug point. So guys, wait a minute. So I plugged this into my socket. So let's on it. So let's turn it off. So here a light glows. This laptop is totally different from my HP laptop. Oh wow. So here you can see this is the government's logo. So this laptop is turning on, so it might take a minute. So by the way, its key is very good. Its key has very great build quality. Wow, very nice. Alright, so it is saying getting the device ready and starting services. It might take a minute, guys. Okay, so we have to wait while it loads. So let's talk about this mouse pad. This mouse pad is very good. So even my SP doesn't have this type of game mouse pad. Or I think this is the mouse pad, or what is it called? So here is the click button of this mousepad. Here. So let's wait for a minute, guys. So by the way, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like for more videos, and make sure to comment below, guys. Okay. Alright guys, it's just getting ready on devices. So it has completed to 100%. Alright, so let's do it. Come on. Guys, my hands are flickering to get this laptop. Magtan ako. Okay, let's be. This is the videos now. Time back. Okay, so guys, the following are the specification of the laptop. Okay. So I don't think so you have to say very clearly, okay? So let it focus very well here, okay? So the device name is some kind of administrator, okay? So let's talk about this processor. As I have said, it has a processor of Intel R-Core TM-i3 7020U CPU, 2.30 GHz. Okay, not bad, it's good. So it has 4GB RAM, and device ID is blah 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 blah, and product ID is blah blah, and system is 64-bit operating system. So let's talk about this Windows specification. So the addition of this Windows in this laptop is Windows 10 Pro education version. Okay, not bad. And it was installed on 3/7/2019. Okay, so it was installed very recently. Okay, alright guys, so that's it in this video. I unboxed the laptop, and these are the stuffs which I have found while unboxing this laptop. Okay guys, so that's it in this video. So make sure to hit a big like, and make sure to comment what you love about this video and what you don't like about this video. You can share to your friends in order to buy this Dell laptop. Okay, it's very good. So guys, I am the lucky one which I have received this laptop from the government for totally free. It's 0 rupees for me, but it online it costs nearly 27,000. Okay, so I have given the link of this laptop in the description to buy. Okay, you can buy from there if you want. Okay, so that's it in this video. Best of.